Find the slope of a line that passes through the points 5, 7, and negative 2, 7. So we know that slope, which we use the letter M to represent, is our change in y over our change in x. So I'm going to label these clearly. We've got, make this set 1 and this set 2. So this means that here is our x1. I'm going to erase that little comma there. That just confuses things. So we have our x1 and our y1, x2, y2. So that way we won't get confused and end up with some odd answer. Not an odd number answer, but you know what I mean. So y2, 7, minus y1, also 7, over x2, which is negative 2, minus x1, which is 5. So look at denominator and numerator separate. We'll look at denominator first. We got negative 2 minus 5 gives us a negative 7. And that's under 7 minus 7, which gives us 0. And we know that any 0 divided by any number is 0. So according to this, we figured out that our slope is 0. Now it seems odd, but you can prove this to yourself and see why it is and why that's perfectly okay by just drawing a little sketch and plotting these 2 points that we use to find the slope. 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, so we're going to plot 5, 7, so we go 5 out in the x direction and 7 up in the y direction. We get this point here. Our second point, we go 2 to the negative direction on our x, and then we go up 7. So that gives us this point here. So when we plot our 2 points, we can see that our line is horizontal. It's perfectly horizontal, which makes sense now that we see that we have 0 slope. It doesn't change in the y direction. It doesn't matter what x does down here. I mean, this x2 and x1 could have been different points. This doesn't matter at all. The fact that y doesn't change means that y is always right here. And we can see from our points, y is always equal to 7, regardless of what x does. When x is 2, right here, y is 7. When x is negative 1, y is 7. When x is 50, y is going to be 7. So it's okay that we have a 0 slope. It just means that we have a horizontal line. So our slope is 0, and that's our final answer.